Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix blurry YouTube videos. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go to YouTube. Now you're going to go to the video that's blurry. I'm going to use one of my own. I'm going to show you another method to turn on dark mode in Twitter for so the first thing you're going to do is
as you can see, my video is a bit blurry.
Now you're going to click on your picture in the top left.
To fix the blurriness, you're going to click on the settings icon and you're going to change the quality. It's currently set to auto 240p. I'm going to go ahead and change it to 1080p. Now click OK.
And you're going to click on the light bulb icon in the bottom left corner. And now under dark mode,
and now as you can see, my video is much easier to see. Alright, so that's how you fix blurry YouTube videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.